Hi, I'm Volker from the Gear Depot, and today we're going to talk about a whole different animal. This is a rooftop tent for my truck bed, but at first, let's roll the intro. This is the rooftop tent, which I bought recently because it was cheap. And I did that because every time I go to car shows or events or whatever, I had a struggle with sleeping when I overnight there. And if you sit by the bonfire and have a cold one, it might take you a little to get up and find a hotel or something. So I decided I want to get something that I can put on my truck bed, and it should not be as invasive as putting a camper or something on it or a camping trailer behind. So this is what I came up with. So let's get this thing unpacked and I'll show you what it is. So this is my 30-year-old roof tent, and it's supposed to stand on the truck bed, and there I can go to sleep without renting into a motel or a hotel. It is made from cotton, sheer 100% cotton covers. It has a wood floor. Just have to stuff that mosquito net out of the way. And it's still lacking a mattress, but that will come. And we also have the awning, which you can cover the entrance with. Here we have an opening net window. I will come to that later when I lay in that thing. Here you have the under construction, which is supposed to get on a car roof with these holders. I have to construct a little thing to make them fit inside the wheel wells of the truck bed. I may just turn them around and do a little construction to make that fit. So what else do we have? I don't know, I think it's about it from the outside. Oh, it's this ladder here, it's attached to the bottom, and it is a help to get that folded out, and it is a stand for the bottom part when it's on a car roof or on a truck bed. And this is extendable, so it will fit many different heights. To protect the cotton layer from the rain, I have to introduce to you the Raincoat kind of thing. I don't know how the name is actually, but let's try to get that thing on. Wow! And boom! Rain protection. Look at this. Isn't it cool? So, next thing to do is lay in and enjoy. It's kind of noisy from the outside because of the wood floor, and I have to get a mattress, which I think will either be of foam and in two parts, or I just take an air mattress, which I will deflate and then pack separate. So this is it from the inside. I have to say, we want to use some air fresheners, I think. It smells a little bit old, and I have to do something with the floor because it looks old too. But I like it, and it is definitely a good way to get some nights of halfway good sleep when I'm on some kind of car show or something and just resting on my truck bed. And you have additional little windows here that you can shut with a mosquito net in it, and you have an outer part which you can open from the inside, which is kind of cool. And the Raincoat thingy has a window there too. These windows are on both sides, and you have pockets here for your camping needs and stuff, for whatever, books, comics, car parts. And I think I'll need some kind of light that I can hang in here, an LED camping light, and maybe that will be my future truck bed hotel. I love it. What do you say? So the hardest part is getting in and out, I think. And if you had a few cold ones, it might be a little bit more difficult. But now it's okay. If you like it too or have any questions, please feel free to ask them, and leave a like or a comment in the section below. And you know how that works. Have a good one, and see you next time in the Gearhead Depot.